Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove emoji from the photos in a second, just only with Instagram. So the thing that you have to do now, open your Instagram application and make sure that you are in the home sections. And whenever you are in the home section, you can right away slide your screen into the right side, or you can also click this plus button right here to create a new story. And after that, you just need to choose which photos that containing an emoji and you want to remove. For example, for me, I already have this one, so let's remove this emoji from this picture. To remove this emoji, you just need to click these three small dots on the top right bottoms here, and after that you just need to go click draw, and make sure that you use this type of pen and do click this color picker. And now you just need to pick the color that you want to use for coloring the brush or the pen. And after you finish, you just need to resizing your pen size, and now start sketching the emoji. Here we go. If you think that the color doesn't match, you just need to pick another color and start brushing again. So this trick is kind of like tricky, so you need to work in the details, but then believe me, it's just so simple to do. So that's the way how to remove emoji from photo with only Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.